Hi there, today I'll be reviewing the Havit HV-KB366. This is the newer black model with aluminum and plastic framing. It is a mechanical keyboard with blue switches with over 104 keys. This model has LED backlight, but it's not RGB, so the specific colors that are already assigned to each key will remain the same, but you can alter its brightness level or add in the fade in or fade out feature. The overall build quality on this keyboard is pretty good. The outside frame is made out of plastic, but the main inner part is made out of aluminum, which is quite heavy, but the quality outweighs that con. It features full anti-ghosting and N-key rollover, which basically means you can press a bunch of keys at once. Moreover, let's just go on with the review. This keyboard comes with a manual and key remover, pretty straightforward. Havit also offers you a braided cable. It's pretty good quality. It also comes with a gold-plated USB port. The stand rests are made out of plastic, so that could be an issue, but the weight of the keyboard is so much, I rarely see any slipping ever happening in this keyboard. Havit also included rubber pads on the bottom to prevent slipping. This model does come with blue switches. They aren't Cherry MX, but to be honest, I rarely notice any difference at all. The quality is not lost in this case at all. The keycaps are okay quality. They're made out of plastic. Looks like it's glued in, but that shouldn't be an issue at all. This keyboard does come with multimedia keys and function keys. Some of the keys include rewind, forward, stop, volume down, volume up, mute. It's good to see Havit actually took the time to include these. Now I'll be showing you the 3 levels of brightness this keyboard offers. This is level 1. This is level 2. And this is level 3. This keyboard also has the feature to fade in and fade out. It gives you the option to keep the WASD key solid and the arrow keys solid. It also gives you the option to fade these keys in and out. Now I'll do a short typing test. This is a pretty good quality keyboard. They managed to put aluminum in the main frame of the keyboard. At this price, they managed to give you a full-size keyboard with all 104 keys, including the number pad. Also, it's fairly cheap, only $59.99 Canadian at Amazon.ca. Backed by a 1-year warranty, and it is PC and Mac compatible. Some of the cons include this is a non-RGB keyboard, so each key color is preset, so you can't ever change that. Also, this keyboard would be heavy for people who aren't used to it. At this price range, Havit managed to make a pretty good quality keyboard. Havit managed to include so many features at such a low price. If you don't care about customizability that much, this keyboard is definitely worth a buy. I would rate this keyboard a 4 out of 5. If you like this video, please send a like or subscribe. Peace.